Hello, I'm Phyllis Harbinger, and today I am coming to you from Harrison, New York in Westchester County, and we are in the midst of a photo shoot, and I wanted to share with you a number of areas that we designed in this home. We've been through the whole house and it's been a joy, and we're going to focus on some more of the common areas and then an incredible master suite. So we're in the foyer right now, and we've styled a really beautiful entry for the client, and now we're going to journey on and show you the dining area. I love this space so much. It just is magical for me. I love the caracal table with the edge details that we've got in metal finish. The chairs are not all matched. We have host and hostess chairs that are different from the side chairs. And this pop of really, really strong chromatic blue with the gold metallic flecks really complements the rest of the story in the space. To continue our story, we did this really beautiful mirror that has a blue glass in addition to the clear mirrored glass. And this piece really was the starting point and inspiration for the space. It is a chagrin, beautiful sideboard with a brushed brass, lots of accents. I love the radiating sun on the handle that's on the left and the asymmetrical balance to the drawers on the right. It's got little studs, which are really interesting, and it's just a fabulous piece by Wildwood Home. I am in love with this wonderful chandelier that we chose for our client. The linear quality, the sparkle of the crystals, totally balances the room and really is a showstopper. I hope you love it too. We are now in the living room of our Harrison residence that we've just completed, and I love this space. It is a very long space, so we really had to deal with the furniture arrangements. We have this beautiful little area for two at the windows, and it's in a bay window. And then we took two sofas, a right arm and a left arm, and put them together to give the room the presence that it needed. So when we did that, we needed a little bit of a table for the center so that somebody could put a drink down. The couple close these up here. This is where they spend most of their time, and they watch TV, and in the wintertime, they light a fire. So let me show you a little bit more about that fireplace. This fireplace, when we first attacked it, did not look anything like this. We did a lot of revision here. We demoed out all the stone that was there. There was brick, there was black. We put in a new hearthstone, new surround, new details to the actual mantelpiece. And then I found this incredible fire screen with the butterflies, and the client was absolutely in love. So this is here, and it works well all year round. And if they want to light a fire, they can move it over, or the fire can flicker through and bounce off of the metallic butterflies. Would you want to be in an office like this? I know I would. We did this for the man of the house, and my client absolutely loves this space. He's got his TV, he's got his printer. We found these incredible file cabinets and had a piece of special glass made for the top. And the chaise that I'm sitting on right now is actually a mid-century piece. We got it from First Dibs, and it's really, really awesome. I love the fact that it's reclaimed, reused, repurposed, and be sustainable. Now, is this a great kitchen? I love this space. It's white, but we've popped it, which we'll show you, with blues. The appliances are all top of the line, Wolf, Sub-Zero, and I'm really, really loving the induction top for the cooktop. And we chose to do a really beautiful, larger scale mosaic to bring emphasis and focus to this back wall. The pot filler for me is absolutely de rigueur. You must have it because it makes it so easy, especially when you're a cook like our client is. We also did this really beautiful faucet, and it has a pull down, but look at the knurling that's here. Really, really lovely. And the sink is a double sink, and it's nice and large and allows her to cook for her Brady Bunch family. We have this beautiful quartz countertop that's the same on the island and on the perimeter countertops. And I like the movement of the gray, which we then brought into the mix in our bar stools and our chairs. So here we have a beautiful table. This expands twice. So when they're having company, they can have a major brood here. We love the fact that the chairs mimic in color for the upholstery what we did on the stools, but the backs are so interesting and they are different from what we did at the island. I love this fabric that we found from Kravit. It's an amazing fabric and it really pops everything. And then the lantern style fixture that we used over the table gives great illumination, but it doesn't detract from the rest of the space. Right now, I am in the primary suite of my client's home. This is a spectacular space for them. They pinch themselves every day because if you look at the before photos of what this was, it's completely different. So this is the primary bedroom, and we created this beautiful little reading area over here. And before I show you the bed, let me take you into her closet. So, closet and office. I certainly would love to work here. You could put your makeup on here. You have a beautiful view. There's tons of light in this space, and the ceilings are so lovely and high. And we put in this spectacular Sputnik lucite and brass fixture over a center island that opens on both sides. And there's also a hamper right here. And she has locked drawers for anything she wants to keep that's valuable. The shoes and the bags, and behind frosted glass are clothing. This is for dresses and longer hanging. And then we had an air conditioning and heating element in the space that we had to disguise. So we made it a little bit of a window seat and still got storage on either side for more shoes, because we never have enough storage for our shoes. In this primary suite, we wanted to do a inspiration of mixed metals. So here we've got some objets, these fabulous lamps from Jonathan Adler. And it's a very calm, neutral palette, but we also have these beautiful blush pillows and a little bit of a pop with some really great red, violet, and gray, just to give it a little bit of a mix. It's a sumptuous bed. We had a custom coverlet made in a silk, and then this is a comforter because they like to be warm at night. And we did a beautiful bench with a lucite base, and it kind of rounds out the whole space. It's a quiet palette, it's all serene, and a great place to rest and restore. A bathroom fit for the king and queen in this primary suite. It is so beautiful, so light, so magical. We did a nano glass antimicrobial gloss countertop here and glass subway tiles, but we stacked them to make it look less busy. I love the wave look of the frosted sparkly glass on the sconces, and this shower is wall to wall. There used to be a bathtub here. The shower was on the opposite side of the space, and a toilet sat here. So we completely reconfigured this space. A laundry room with a fancy slop sink. It's a stainless steel farmhouse sink that we installed. Custom cabinetry beautifully lines the wall of this laundry room. Natural light, and our client with the Brady Bunch family, she loves doing laundry. So not just a stackable, but a double set of stackable LGs. And it is really working out well for this family of 7 to have multiple units. As we moved down, storage was really important. So we gave them quartz countertops with a little bit of a fleck, and then all white shaker door cabinetry. Here we have hampers. The hampers are out right now in service, but the hampers drop in this bay and this bay. So that wraps up the tour of this home. I know I didn't get to show you everything, but I showed you the highlights, and I hope that they were inspiring. Have a great day. And if you're in need of a renovation, here we are. We're ready to help you, and we would love to work on your home as well.